Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode. And this time around, I'm going to talk about our crypto assets. Okay, so if you're also following the crypto space, then this is the video I think you'll be interested to hear. And feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in case you have not done that yet. All right, so let me first talk about Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin has been on a decline since November, and then the big question is because the rest of the tokens that we are following also are declining. So I think a lot of you are getting worried, especially if this is you're just starting to engage yourself in the crypto space. So the big question is, when is the perfect time for this to reverse? Okay. I would have to say upfront that, well, in the crypto space, everything happens so fast and it could be very erratic. Okay, but I just want to share this one update here that happened yesterday. So this was a news from Forbes.com. It mentioned here that El Salvador buys 15 million worth of Bitcoin. Really cheap. President Cruz as sell-off continues. So this here, this is an article. You can just probably follow this and check it out. But upfront, this simply means that the buying sentiment is starting to take place, right? Considering that it has been already on a very, very cheap level. So if I am to look at it on a weekly chart, where are we sitting at? Okay, so at the moment, we are already very near that support that I can see right here. So this might not happen today or tomorrow, but I'm anticipating and forecasting that it will happen soon, right? So watch out for that. What I can say here is that we could have a long wick like this one within the day or two, because anything can happen within the day. But I'm anticipating that here you can probably start if you can divide your buying power. You can already start entering at this level over here. What is happening? Let's do that again one more time. Remove drawings. Okay, you can start it from here and then another one over here. Okay, so those are the two levels that you can consider, just in case this one over here at the 33,000 level, that's already on the aggressive side. But based on the weekly chart over here, the safest that I can see at the moment is right over here. Okay, at the area where I plotted. It's an area, so technically you can consider anywhere between that 29,000 to 33,000. That's an area I am looking at. So actually, for those people who want it to be on the safe side, just you can, if you're using eToro, you can like the platform I use, you can just place an order at that amount, and then the moment that gets hit, you don't even have to watch the market full time. The moment it gets hit, then it'll be executed, right? So the reason why I have a strong conviction at this level being the support is because for multiple weeks during this period and this period, you will notice a bounce that's happening. So we are very near that. In fact, yesterday I already added some volume in my eToro account for Bitcoin, because I feel that we are going to have this really anytime soon, right? And for those people who are also following Axie Infinity, let's also check that out. Right? So I would have to say this is giving us really a very, very good discounted price right now. Personally, you may call it being biased and biased in my opinion. That's solely because I am a user of Axie and I have several teams here, and I see that the developers are very active in their projects, and they release their updates regularly and on time. So a lot of developments happening in this space. So I think that this decline that happened and are still happening or is still happening is really going to be to our advantage in the future. So if we are to take action now, in a few months from now or even years from now, then we will see the fruits of our conviction for this token. My take here is that the moment you engage in a cryptocurrency, make sure that you are really aware of the product and the project itself, because there are a lot of tokens that are, bogus. You see them now, in a few months from now or days even, they go bankrupt or they're gone, like what happened to Squid Game token, right? If for those people who are familiar with that, it just went all the way down. But let me just go back to Axie over here. Given that our Bitcoin is also approaching an area of possible reversal, chances are this was also the effect of Bitcoin to the other tokens, which Axie is not spared. So we are very near that possible support. Okay, so this is the area I'm plotting, and if you are to check out, well, we're already in the, look at this oversold area, but let's check out the hourly. Okay, in your hourly, we have already crossed the MA20 line, as you can see. And if you are to compare the volume, so here you had some uh, declining volume, but people have already started accumulating right here. So a lot of buying sentiment happened here, and now we have already moved somewhere in the 51 level in the hourly chart. So I would have to say this could be the beginning of the reversal. So for those people who are also staking, this could be a perfect time for you to add more to your volume for your AXS staking. Okay, so I've been staking my SLP revenue. I've been converting that to AXS because I know SLP is really on a decline and it's so cheap right now. So instead of me waiting for the token to move up, I do stake it. All right. So I actually have already bookmarked it here, but I can drop a link for you to check out if you want to stake uh, AXS. Okay, but looking at the chart alone, we are very near that support already. Okay, so it's up to you guys. Take action if you are also if you have high conviction for AXS. Okay, let's check out SLP. SLP is the utility token that we get out of playing the Axie game. Okay, so with almost 3 million, or are we 3 million now? So I am not surprised why this token is not really moving up, because there are so many people minting the token as a form of reward from playing Axie. Then little spikes here and there, a lot of people are taking profit. So it's really taking a long time for this to move up. So over here we are already at the over sold level, but my take here is, of course, I'm not expecting a lot, but if it is going to move up, good luck if it is going to reach 0.05. But let me see, I'm thinking if we are going to move back here, maybe it will take a while before it goes back to the 0.038. How much is 0.038? My my honest opinion here, I think the most feasible area where it will just stabilize at would be around the most is 0.03, 0.03, not even 0.038, but let me see, remove drawings, just 0.03 level, okay? And I have here SLP. What is 0.03 in pesos? 0.03. Wow. So the price right now is how much? 65 0.65, less than 1 peso. So if we are going to have 0.03, that's in dollars, so times 50, approximately 1.5. Yes, that's more like it. That's the most feasible level that I am anticipating in case this recovers. But we'll see. We just cannot close our doors here, because what if all of a sudden the developers release an update where they could introduce a burning mechanism for the SLP, then of course the supply will go low, and then chances are price will go up. But at the moment, given the current state, 1.5 is the best, or is the most feasible price I'm looking at in case this recovers. But at least, if you are going to go to Axie, the price right now for the Axies that we have here, floor price is around point 50, or let me see, $42. So let's say you get something that's worth $50. So that's 25 times 3, around 75. You already have a good build right there. 7,000 pesos. Okay. So that's it. I hope you guys have learned something new today for those people who are not familiar yet with Axie. This is a play to earn game that now has around 3 million, almost 3 million users. And a lot of its users are coming from the Philippines. So uh, something new you probably would want to check out. All right. So I think that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know your thoughts around Bitcoin, AXS, and SLP. Thank you. And bye bye for now.